अब एक बार अंजू जी से पूछ लो कि शुरू हो गया। हेलो, okay. Am I live and audible? Yes. Hi Anju ji, thank you so much. Let me wait for few people to join in. Am I visible and audible?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you Anju ji for telling that I'm audible and visible also. Thank you so very much. So let me wait for few people to join in. Hi Kimi Das. Welcome. I'm waiting for few people to join in. Thank you dear for telling that I'm audible. Thank you. Welcome Kanika Chopra. Welcome Pooja ji. Welcome Tarushi Gupta. Hi all. Okay. So I welcome you all today. Before starting my introduction, I would thank Miss Anju Handa for providing me this platform of She Connect for exhibiting on a EPOP exhibition. Thank you so very much. As we were in the lockdown situation and we were thinking what to do, how to promote our products, that is only the Anju Handa ji, she has provided us this platform to exhibit our things and to break our monotonous and to start our work again. So I have a lot of things to exhibit today. So first I would briefly tell about She Connect. She Connect is the best women's social club in Delhi, initiated to promote women empowerment. So it's a group of women people, those who are promoting their things, and Anju Handa ji is the one who is helping everybody. So my name is Simi Bhular and my brand name is Festive Creations. So I will show you today. Welcome Pooja, welcome, thanks to be on the time. So I'll be exhibiting my products today. I'm basically into ethnic wear. So I have fulkaris, I have Madhubani dupattas, I have cutwork suits, I have pure suits, formals, informals, everything I'll show you. So should I start exhibiting my products with you? If you all are ready. So the first thing I wanted to show you, need of the hour, that these are the scarves, first copy scarves. So this is what I thought that first thing I'll share with you. So we could use it to prevent ourselves from corona, because this is huge size and these all are first copy. So it will help to cover the face nicely. So when we are putting mask, so at times we feel that we are not comfortable with the breathing. So mask is very comfortable. As a dupatta you could take it and you can wrap it around and you are safe to move out. As we are all back to our work, so we can use them. So I have multiple choices, multiple colors, multiple designs, beautiful designs, first copy brand scarves, which you could see. So for today there is an offer. Otherwise we sell them for 1500, but for today in a e-pop-up of She Connect, we are selling it for flat 1000 rupees. So you could book your design, you could see whichever you want, and then we could book it for you. Yes, sure. I'll just show you a demo, Jaswinder, how to wrap it around. Nandini, you can show the demo. She's asking for a demo.
So basically what you have to do is put the scarf behind your neck, wrap your head with it, put it behind your ears, and then take one end, put it on your nose and take it back, and then you can take the other one and then take it back and then you can tie it. Kunali, can you tie it?
So you could tie it comfortably here
Okay, is it clear?
so that you are safe to move around without any breathing problem or without sweating. So it matches with your dress as well, so you are comfortable to move around and do your work. So the next thing is, thank you Anjuji for appreciating, as you always appreciate women, to uplift their talent. Thank you so very much. Now next I would be coming with the Madhubani dupattas. Madhubani dupattas, beautiful Madhubani dupattas I have, which can be teamed up with cotton suits in summers with beautiful colors. So they are big enough size that even for Gurdwara or Mandir you could take it then, and you can wrap it around with any of the cotton, or you can team up with the plain suit or a silk suits.
Very reasonable.
And very reasonably priced. Thank you Harpreet, thank you so very much. So I have multiple choices of colors. You could see it. See.
We can find.
So you could select. Then I have next, after Madhubani dupattas, like I have multiple choices. You can WhatsApp me. Then you could. Then I have full. Madhubani dupatta is for 1350 rupees for today. And as if everybody knows that courier are too high nowadays due to COVID, so we will not be taking the courier charges if you select something in this exhibition. So courier charges are not there. Yes, Nitiji, which price you wanted to know? You can tell me. Dupatta is for 1350. Madhubani is for 1350. Anjuji. So courier charges will not take. So for e-pop-up, we have put up few of the schemes. Thank you so very much, Poonamji. Now this is Fulkari dupatta on pure Georgette. So again we have multiple choices in these, multiple choices in colors and embroideries. I'll show you few. Rest you can WhatsApp on my phone number for the entire range. I have a festive page also on the Facebook. Plus I'm always available on my WhatsApp number. So after this I'll type it on the wall. Number is 9971208884. 9971208884. On that you can WhatsApp me. I can again show you the entire range. So this is again
It's only
Fulkari dupatta. These I am showing only dupattas. Then I'll start with the. Thank you Niti for the Madhubani dupatta. Thank you so very much. Now the next again I have Fulkari. Karuna ji, thank you.
This is 22.
Now again this is Fulkari dupatta on pure Georgette with a handwork. Now which all Fulkari dupattas I am showing you ladies, these all are handwork. These are not machine work. So handwork are little expensive, but they look very elegant and you look very gorgeous when you wear them. You can carry it with your crepes, silks. You can team up with any kind of a suit, and you can carry it to the party as well. So
Yes, specially made.
now this is a net dupatta for summers. This is our own creativity. So in this you can one thing is that you could get it color in any color. Any color you can get it dyed. These are net with the beautiful laces. So Fulkari dupatta, thank you so very much for appreciating my stuff. And this is net dupatta. Again you could team up with any of the cotton dupattas, any silk, any crepe dupatta, and then you could get it dyed in the same color. Either I can help you for the same. There is no problem, but yes, dyeing would be extra. So the next is, I'll show you these pure dupattas in Lucknowis. These are the pure dupattas with mukash work. Lace dupatta price. Lace dupatta price.
Is for 1600.
Lace dupatta price is for 1600 because this lace is the imported lace. So it can be dyed to any color. Otherwise, when you take a net dupatta, only net get dyed, but not the lace. But yes, here the lace could also be dyed in any color. So this is for 1600 rupees. Again, there is no courier charges for you today. And this is a pure Lucknowi dupatta. Either you can take it with lehenga or any of the you can take with a pure crepe suit, you can get it dyed. Again, these can be dyed in any color.
And it's
Thank
10
you,
times-
Anju ji, for
10 times dyeable.
it can be 10 times re-dyed. Suppose I'm wearing this suit, it was in white color. I'll show you this suit as well in Lucknowi. So these suits, when they're stitched, they can be re-dyed into 10 colors. So once you spend your money, then you can use it multiple times with the different colors in the different parties. You don't have to wear the same suit. You can always get it dyed again, and then you can go for a nice party again.
लेस दुपट्टे का प्राइस बोल दो दोबारा.
The lace dupatta is for 1600.
And this is for 4000.
And now this is again very beautiful Lucknowi dupatta, pure dupatta. You could see, I can show you a little closer. This is with mukash and all handwork done. Welcome Sonia ji, welcome Timmy ji, welcome Neeti. So this is
4000.
again a pure dupatta. This is for 4000 rupees. Again can be dyed 10 times. You could dye it and then you can take it in the parties. These are all party wear dupattas. They are pure dupattas.
You can go with your lehengas also.
Now this is organza dupatta.
With the handwork.
Again this is with the handwork. Thank you Meenu. Thank you for appreciating my collection. Thank you dear. Now this is again organza dupatta with the handwork. My dupattas are full in sizes.
Kamini.
Thank you so much Kamini. So this is all with big sizes. I don't use stole dupattas. Basically what we see in the market, that you get a half size of a dupatta. But I explore different states, different cities, so that I get beautiful stuff for you all. So I don't go for a normal thing. I always go for valuable things. Like once you have spent money, it should be valuable. So again, when we go for a fulkaris, these are fulkaris. In Punjab we call them बाग as well. इनको बाग क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि इनके नीचे आपको कपड़ा नहीं नज़र आएगा. दोनों साइड जब आप इसको टर्न करेंगे, आपको धागे का ही पूरा काम नज़र आएगा. So इनको बाग कहते हैं. These are heavy फुलकारीज. अगेन वेडिंग में मेहंदी की रात होती है या बारात का टाइम होता है, आप इसको कैरी कर सकते हैं विद एनी ऑफ द सूट. किसी भी सूट के साथ आप इसे टीम अप कर सकते हैं. विद ब्राइडल मेहंदी की रात में यू कैन टेक ऑरेंज कलर, यू कैन टेक ग्रीन कलर, और मेरे पास इसमें मल्टीपल चॉइस होती है. मैं आपको 1-2 पीसेस दिखा देती हूँ, बाकी आप मेरे से व्हाट्सएप पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड आई कैन शो यू द एंटायर रेंज. दिस इज अगेन वन मोर ब्यूटिफुल फुलकारी दुपट्टा. Now I'll show you, these are the dupattas. Now I'll show you few plazos and shararas. These are dyeable shararas.
Free size.
Again free size. किसी भी कलर में आप इससे डाई करवा सकते हैं
And re-dye.
और री-डाई भी करवा सकते हैं.
नीति को प्राइस किस चीज़ का चाहिए?
नीति आपको किस चीज़ का प्राइस पूछना है, प्लीज आप मेंशन कर दीजिए. फॉर फुलकारी, फुलकारी इज फॉर 2000. Otherwise we sell it for 2500, but yes, for EPOP we have kept it special prices. So Fulkari is for 2000 today, only 2000. And this is a sharara, Kali sharara. It can be dyed in any color. Again it has a lining. So इसमें ट्रांजी इफेक्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. इसमें मोटी वाली लाइनिंग लगी हुई है और इसमें ट्रांजी इफेक्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And this is for
2800.
This is for 2800. So it has a lace and it has a गोटा पत्ती वर्क. अगर आपको इसका क्लियर वीडियो चाहिए तो आप मेरे को मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे बता सकते हैं, मैं आपको क्लियर वीडियो इसका भेज दूंगी. Now again I have this mukash. Now again I would repeat that ये जितना भी स्टफ मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ ये रीडाइबल है. 10 टाइम्स रीडाई करवा सकते हैं क्योंकि ये सब प्योर के ऊपर है, ये सिंथेटिक के ऊपर नहीं है.
This is 23.
This is 2300. This is in mukash. Again see it's a sharara. फ्री साइजेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी आपको, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पीछे में इलास्टिक है. यू कैन सी दिस एंड फ्रंट इज अ बेल्ट. सो वेरी एडजस्टेबल. यू कुड एडजस्ट विद दिस नाड़ा एज वेल. नाउ दिस इज अ कॉटन शरारा, वेरी गर्ली. इसका थोड़ा डिफरेंट डिज़ाइन है. आप देखिए यहाँ से इसके यहाँ पे पूरा वर्क है और ये कली डली हुई है. ये भी डाइबल है, किसी भी कलर में आप इसको डाई करवा सकते हैं. This is for how much?
This is 1900.
This is 1900.
For today.
Only for today. This is 1900. Again, it could be dyed with. Yes, this is Kali Sharara. Yes. Thank you, Anju ji, for helping me. Now again, I have this plazo. Very comfortable plazo. Even moms can use it because nowadays they really need pockets. Girls can also use and moms can also use. So इधर pocket भी आप अपना मोबाइल भी रख सकते हैं और ब्यूटीफुल लेस के साथ बना हुआ है ये देखिए, ये ब्यूटीफुल लेस के साथ बना हुआ है. वेलकम परमिंदर जी, थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग ऑसम कलेक्शन. देन हमारे पास थोड़ा कम रेंज में भी प्लाजोज होते हैं, जैसे गर्ल्स को चाहिए होते हैं, वो पहनते हैं 1 या एक बार या 2 बार पहना उसके बाद उनका दिल नहीं करता. सो दीज आर द प्लाजोज, बट इसमें ये है कि दे आर नॉट डाइबल. दीज यू कैन नॉट डाई. जो भी प्रोडक्ट हम आपको कह के देंगे डाई होगा वो डाई होगा, जो नहीं कह के देंगे वो नहीं होगा. सो रेंज भी उसी हिसाब से है. सो दिस इज फॉर
1300.
This is for 1300. Again, it has all
Kalis.
kalis and beautiful work. Nandi, I think you people can put prices online. No? So, hi Superwoman.
Thank you.
Welcome dear.
Thank you.
Thank you Poonam ji. Hi Swati Datta. Thank you for joining in. Now I'll be coming with the Lucknowi stitch variety. आप देखिए, दिस इज कुर्ता, लखनवी कुर्ता है. ये सॉफ्ट कॉटन है बिल्कुल. इसमें कोई भी जैसे स्टार्च कहते हैं लखनवी में, ये मिथ रहता है कि स्टार्च होता है, बहुत रफ लगता है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. ये बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है, सॉफ्ट कॉटन है. अदा स्टाइल कुर्ता है ये देखिए, सारा वर्क है इसके ऊपर एंड बैक पे भी आपको बूटा मिलेगा और स्लीव्स पे भी है. सो ऑल साइजेस अवेलेबल हैं एंड लेंथ भी लंबी है इसकी. इसके कलर ऑप्शंस मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. एक ये कलर है, बाकी आप मेरे से वीडियो भी मंगवा सकते हैं. और इधर यू कैन सी माई कलेक्शन ऑन माई फेसबुक पेज. फेस्टिव क्रिएशंस के नाम से मेरा फेसबुक पेज है, उस पर भी आप देख सकते हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है. दिस इज पिंक, दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल पिंक एंड दीज आर ऑल हॉट सेलिंग. Now we have this other party wear collection. This is cotton silk. And look, इसके साथ सारा वर्क है फ्रंट पे, गले पे और बैक पे. और ये कॉटन सिल्क में है. This is 2300. इसमें 3 choices हैं.
इसका 22.
इसका 2200 है. These are for 2200 minus the courier, because today in the e-pop-up show which I am doing through She Connect, so I really wanted to give something to the people, those who have joined in. Grey wala ka price is
22.
this is 2200. Anju ji, this is 2200, this one,
Pink.
and they are free sizes.
Pink.
These all are 2200.
And this is.
And this is party wear cotton silk, and this is very very soft and very very beautiful.
23.
This is 2300. These are अदाज, like लखनऊ का अदा एक ब्रांड है, ये उनके कुर्ते हैं. Now next collection I'll show you.
This is soft cotton.
Now there is something for to go with your denims. Hi Parminder Bhullar ji. Now this is a top. Thank you for watching. Now this is again a top. Cotton top which can be team up with the denims. Even your family boost up your morale. They are also watching online. So again this is again can be team up with कौन सा येलो अंजू जी. सारे कुर्तों का सेम प्राइस है, जो मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं वो सबका सेम प्राइस है.
This is 2300.
This is 2300. This is cotton silk.
Which
This is
one?
2300.
You can keep aside also.
If you want to book anything, you can keep it aside also. Now this is again
Please keep.
a western. You could wear it with your denims, plazos, and you could wear it when you are back to your office. I pray to God that everybody should be back to office for the work, and God bless us all for the same. Now this is white kurta. Now again you could see the work on this. I'm bringing little closer so that you could see the work on this. These are all cotton.
Thread work.
This is all thread work, Lucknowis. You could take a screenshot also. अगर आप मेरे को टाइप करके बता सकते हैं कोई चीज़ आपको बस. स्वामिका, welcome dear. Now this is, you could take a screenshot also. Later you can send it on my phone number. Yes, Anjuji, I have all the sizes. I have XL also, I have large also, I have medium also. So size would not be a problem. You could mention your size, you can mention a screenshot, I'll send you. Now this is a long kurta, one was a short kurta in blue, and this is a long kurta in the same pattern. If somebody wants to wear with a chudidar or a plazo, they could wear a long kurta, or if you want to try it with a denim, then I've shown you a short kurta, and they have a bell sleeves too, and that all with the work. Now this is again very soft cotton. This is very soft cotton. Again you can see the work. I could show you. This is for
1500.
This is for 1500. This is all export quality cotton which you see in Fab India and all. So it doesn't have starch. So it is very, very soft. Welcome Manpreet. Now again this is one more kurta. These are big sizes. You can go for like XL could try it, and double XL could try it. I have all the colors. Welcome Manpreet. Actually I exhibit in different states, cities. So people are joining in, those who know me, those who know my brand, Festive Creations, those who buy my things. Welcome Anju Sabharwal. Hi Ruchi. Welcome dear. Yes. Thank you for being here. Now this is a dress. Again this is a Lucknowi dress with a beautiful work of blue and white. Again it is very, very soft. See. Ruchi, you missed my dupattas dear. So you have to watch this video again. I was waiting for you.
This is very good quality cotton.
Hi Tina. And this is very good quality cotton.
Now we come to suits.
Welcome Meetu. Thank you dear. Now let's start.
Dress. This is 1800.
This is 1800. This dress price is 1800. Again this is export quality cotton which we normally send to Dubai. So you could see the work.
I can give you colors also.
And I can give you the colors also in this. Now I would show you. I hope you're liking it. Dupattas, plazos, scarves. Now I'll be starting with, hi Sonali. Now I'll be starting with the Lucknowi kurtis. A new design kurtis. See this. This is a kurti. So this kurti, you could stitch it by your own size. This is a front. These are the sleeves. And these are the sleeves, border sleeves. और ये इसका front है. और ये इसका back है. Back पे भी आपको work मिलेगा. So back also has all buttas. See.
Thank you, Minu.
Thank you, Meenu ji. Thank you so very much.
New concept on print.
Now this is a new concept kurti, Lucknowi kurti on print. इस पे आप एनहांस प्रिंट के ऊपर एनहांस करा हुआ है. नॉर्मली आप देखते हैं कि प्लेन के ऊपर होता है. ये प्रिंट के ऊपर एनहांस करा हुआ है सारा विद ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स. एंड बैक पे बूटा है. ये बैक है. आई होप सबको क्लियर है. थैंक यू टीना. थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग नाइस कलेक्शन. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. नाउ स्लीव्स पे भी काम है. और इसका ये दामन है. ये देखिए आप नीचे सारा बारीक काम है बिल्कुल. और ये सारा प्रिंट के ऊपर है. दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. ये न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट है. थैंक यू रुचि. नाउ अगेन ब्यूटिफुल लेमन विद वाइट. सो ये लेमन और वाइट का कॉम्बो है. ये इसका नेक है. थोड़ा दूर से मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. ये इसकी स्लीव्स हैं. और ये इसका सारा वर्क है. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वर्क है. और ये इसका बैक है. सो ये न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट है. ये प्रिंट के ऊपर सारा एनहांस है लखनवी. यू कुड सी इट. कोई भी आपको प्राइस पूछना है आप मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. माई नंबर इज 9971208884. नाउ अगेन दिस इज कुर्ती. दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल वर्क. ये नेट के ऊपर वर्क करा हुआ है. थैंक यू सोनाली. सी ये सारा नेट के ऊपर एनहांस करा हुआ है वर्क और बहुत ही नीट है. ये देखिए आप, ये इसका बैक है. अगेन बैक पे आपको वर्क मिलेगा. कोई भी कुर्ती आपको ऐसी नहीं मिलेगी कि बैक से प्लेन हो. सब पे आपको वर्क मिलेगा. दिस इज 3500. जो भी मैंने आपको अभी कुर्ती दिखाई है कॉम्बो कलर्स में दिखाई हैं या ऐसी दिखाई हैं, दे आर 3500.
Yellow and white is for 2800.
Yellow and white is for 2800. So
Now this is a full suit.
now again this is a full suit. This is beautiful off-white color. This is beautiful off-white color. Price for yellow and Shweta ji, I'm just telling you that that chicken curry. This one, yeah.
Yeah.
This one you are asking.
Yeah, this 2800.
This is 2800 dear. This is kurti and this is 2800. Thank you Pooja. Thank you Pooja Dikshit for appreciating dear. God bless you.
Okay.
Now this is off-white. Again beautiful work of Gota Patti. Which one Anju ji to book? Thank you so much Anju ji. I'll book for you.
Side में करते हैं.
Thank you. Your appreciation makes a difference. Thank you so very much. That is why your She Connect has lots and lots of ladies in. Because you really take care of each of your participant. Whether it is a WhatsApp group or it is your page. Thank you so very much. Now we next have, you could book also. This is complete suit with dupatta. Now one thing more I want to mention, that my dupattas are pure dupattas. They are not synthetic dupattas. So you could choose it for your mothers as well. Because mothers normally love, pure dupattas. They don't like synthetic dupattas. So I work, I have mother at home, I have mother-in-law. So they always say कि हमें synthetic dupatte नहीं चाहिए. So I always go for and I pick, pure dupattas so that they are comfortable. So my all suits have pure dupattas. Now this is another with Gota Patti.
Thank you, Jaswinder.
Thank you, Jaswinder. Thank you, dear. Price of off-white, darling, I'll just tell you.
This is 4000.
That is 4,000. That is, that is 4,000. It has a dupatta, it has a salwar, and all work. Like all over, you will see the work. You can't see,
On the
material.
sleeves also.
And on the sleeves also, you
Extra.
will get a border
No,
and
no,
everything.
I put you on the sleeves. Extra.
I could show you, Jaswinder, if you want. Again.
Yeah.
Or either I could WhatsApp you the video of it, if you say. See dear, this is the front, all with work. Then these are the sleeves I was talking about.
Yeah. These sleeves.
So sleeves, then I have beautiful dupatta with it.
Yes, sleeves. 4000.
This is 4,000. This one is 4,000, darling. So now again we have a golden color. So Nali, which suit you want, like which suit price you're asking? White one should I show? Okay.
Yeah.
This is now see, this is pure white with a stitch kurta and chikankari dupatta.
Take separate.
Again, this is beautiful dupatta of chikankari. Like this is all thread work and a huge dupatta. I don't compromise with the size of dupatta because as you all know that I'm Sardarni. So I don't go for a stall dupattas. I never compromise with the dupattas. Because we have to go to Gurudwara and otherwise also we, always flaunt with our dupattas. Sardarnis are known for their dupattas basically. So again, this is beautiful dupatta of chikankari. This is beautiful work you could see from the near, or I could send you the videos as well if required.
video. कौन सा
Sure, Jaswinder, you can take my number. That is 9971 20 So you can WhatsApp me. I'll send you the video. So I repeat my number 9971 20 And this is Anjuji again. This is a beautiful kurta with a soft cotton. I'm repeating again and again. I really work for quality. So I don't really compromise with the quality. So if I talk about Lucknowi, my Lucknowis are not starched. They are made on fine cotton, soft cotton. You can feel it when it comes to you and you'll really appreciate it. So, okay. So now I would be coming, now you could see my suit, what I am wearing, so that I could start this range. Now this was a white in color when I bought it. So then I get it dyed. So this is the suit which can be re-dyed into 10 colors. Like multiple 10 types you can re-dye. And even you can go for double shades. There will be no problem. They are pure suits. So one in this is like, again you can get it.
Silver.
This is silver.
You don't get silvers.
You don't get silvers because if you could see mine is with a golden gota patti. Right? And this is silver. This is beautiful piece. And this is the border. These are party wear suits, or you can wear to birthdays, and you can wear to parties. You can get it dyed to any color. And there is the dupatta. This is shirt and dupatta. Pures always comes in shirt and dupatta, because for if I talk about lower, at times the trend changes, because they are chudidars. You can get it straight. You can get it plazos. You can take it your own kind of a material. This one is for Ruchi.
This is 7,500, but today for 7,000.
This is 7,500, but today it is for 7,000. Because again, I would say that She Connect has provided me a platform to do a e-pop-up exhibition. So I really feel thankful to it, and I am giving these offers. Thank you so very much. So this is only single piece in silver. If you'll say me the other piece, that will not be possible, because one thing, there is lockdown and it takes 2 to 3 months to make. So they say कि silver बहुत कम बनाते हैं, हम golden ज़्यादा बनाते हैं. So I really like this silver one. So for today it is for 7,000. So you have a shirt and a dupatta like me. Again, this is with the golden, pure. Could you see? Again, can be re-dyed 10 times in any color. Color will not be a problem, either a dark or a light. There will not be any problem. And then it has a pure ka dupatta with all booties around, and sleeves also have work. If you could see my sleeve, it has work, right? So there are 3 choices, 1 in silver and 2 in golden.
Again, 7,500 today for.
This is for 7,500. For today it is for 7,000. Minus the courier charges. As you know that couriers are too high nowadays. They are taking COVID charges as well. But again, for She Connect e-pop-up exhibition, I am doing minus on that. Now this is again a full suit of Lucknowi. Again with a pure dupatta. I don't go for synthetic dupattas, as I am repeating again and again. And you would be thinking that why I am saying this thing, because I really wanted to know that, to tell you that I always use pure dupattas with little of work. And this work, you could see it. This dupatta has beautiful lumbis on it. And this you could not find it anywhere. See. This is double shaded dupatta.
Samarish color.
Samarish color. See, this is, and you could find the laces on this. Basically, when I started my this venture of festive creations, I started with dupattas, because I really love to carry dupattas, different style of dupattas of different states. So initially and gradually, then people said that why don't you team up with the suits? So I started teaming up with the suits. So I really work on dupattas. I like to carry beautiful dupattas and like to carry, I like to sell beautiful dupattas. This is how the festive creation was created. Now this is again a beautiful suit and a beautiful color. This is again with a gota patti. You could see it. And very fine Lucknowi work. You could see it. I'm bringing little close. Actually, this is the first time I'm doing live. I'm really thankful to Anju ji for the same. because I've never done live and I was little, I would say I was little nervous to do this.
Anybody for bright colors?
So we have,
ऊपर उठा दे इसको थोड़ा.
so see, this is the border. You could see it. And you could see the fine work.
You have color option.
Thank you, Neeti. Thank you so very much, dear, for appreciating my collection. You can join my group as well in Festive Creations, or you could see on the Facebook page.
Different colors.
Now this is different color. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you so very much.
Colors.
Now these are the different colors in Lucknowi's with the Gotapati work with the pure dupattas and the lower. These are the complete suits. So you could offer any color. You can WhatsApp me for the same.
All different things.
Thank you so very much, Anjuji.
Please keep a screenshot and you can.
You could keep a screenshot of the colors, whichever you're liking, or the suit, whichever you're liking, and afterward you can WhatsApp me for the same. You can drop in a message. We could chat. I could send you the videos as well. See, this is beautiful color and a beautiful work. And I would again repeat that we have pure dupattas and we have soft cotton for Lucknowi's. This is a brighter shade for beautiful young ladies. A beautiful bride, I would say. She could wear it. See, again this is with the pure dupatta. And color combo, you can see this is something very, very different. Blue prices for how much?
Oh.
Now, these are the kurtas in Kota. This is Kota Doria. Now, these kurtis, again, I would show this is a new range.
This is for 3,000.
Anjuji, this is for 3,000. This blue suit is for 3,000.
Courier is on us.
So, there is no courier for you. You all those who have joined, I would again repeat that there will be no courier charges if you book right now and if you go with the offers. And this is only for the e-pop-up of She Connect. Otherwise, they would be little expensive. So please, if you want to book anything, you could. Now this is a new range in Lucknowi. This is very summerish on a Kota Doria, and see the work. Again, I would say that all the kurtas have work at the back as well. So no kurta you will find plain from the back. Then we have beautifully neckline make. You can see this. Then I have more colors in Kota Dorias as well. So I'll show you when they'll come. The more colors I'll show you. Just give me 2 minutes. This beautiful color I have in Kota Doria.
2,000.
These are for 2,000. Kota Dorias are for 2,000. They're only kurtas. Anjuji, these are for 2,000. Kota Dorias are for 2,000. Front and back all work and sleeves. So they're very summerish and very light to wear. So now the next range we are coming up with the Mal cotton.
2,000.
2,000 is Kota Doria.
2 colors.
Now we are coming up with the Mal cottons. Very soft. Now this is cut work. This is again very beautiful. We have cut works in Mal cottons. We have in crepes. We have in chanderis. We have in cotton silk. Now this is cut work. Beautiful cut work on the daman and a sleeve. And again I will repeat that I have pure dupattas for cut work as well. So पल्लों पे आपको सारा कट वर्क मिलेगा. प्योर का दुपट्टा है. दोनों साइड पल्लों पे कट वर्क का काम है. और शर्ट का फ्रंट, शर्ट का बैक और शर्ट की स्लीव्स पे भी आपको कट वर्क मिलेगा. सी, दिस इज ऑल मल कलेक्शन. वेरी सॉफ्ट टू वेयर एंड इनके साथ लोअर भी है. दिस इज कंप्लीट सूट. इनके साथ कलर ऑप्शंस मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. एक लेमन कलर है. प्राइस फॉर मल कॉटन 4,500.
40 to 40.
For today only it is for 4,500. Pure dupatta with blower and with. Now this is the other color. I have 3-4 color choices. Now this is the other color. One thing more, Festive Creations wanted to repeat that we have started stitching as well. Now you can book your suit, you can get it stitched, as nowadays it is a problem to go to a tailor for a stitching. So we had a solution for it as well, that online you could send me your measurements and we can do a video chatting, and we could ask for the design, we could fix it up the design, and then I could courier you. So there is no problem that you are picking up some of the suit and where to go for stitching. That will not be a problem. So we have a beautiful friend again to help us. So she will stitch for you. So stitching also with the Festive Creation, there is no problem. And she makes, like, you can pick up anything from the Pinterest. She's so good and so creative that she makes exactly the same. The way you are seeing my suits, and you would have seen on the Facebook as well, all are mostly stitched by her. So now next I would be taking stitching and everything. I would be sending on a Facebook page and a WhatsApp, you could see there.
It depends on the
Design and everything. Now again, this is cut work, beautiful cut work suit. So I have all the colors in this because this is my own creation. So this dupattas, shirt, and this is the dupatta. So this is cut work dupatta, and every dupatta is with a different concept. You will not find that two suits of the same concept, because we don't do that. We put exhibitions. So when we go to exhibitions, ladies say कि एक सूट एक ही तरह का होना चाहिए, multiple नहीं होने चाहिए. हमें एक किट्टी में अलग अलग डाल के जाना है. So we just keep in a mind that the design should also be a different, and the color combination should also be a different. So I will quickly show you the colors and a concept. This concept comes in center. That was on the palla. So they all are different. So quickly I'll show you. This is beautiful pink, baby pink color. Again with the cut work. My nephew has also joined it. I think he is going to shop for her wife. So yes. So he'll also shop today. Anjuji, thank you. My whole family is watching and shopping. Otherwise, they don't get time to see Festive Creations. Now we have something very, very new. This is with pure crepes. This is hand paint suits on Banarsi work. See, this is Banarsi dupatta. I'll show you the dupatta again. I really wanted to show my dupattas because I prefer buying very good dupattas for you all. So again, then I have a hand paint suits, hand paint pure crepe suits. They're very beautifully made. In front you will find a motif at the back as well. So in this we have two colors. You could see it. With the Banarsi dupatta, hand paint. Now this one, hand paint, is with chiffon dupatta. That was a Banarsi dupatta. Again, this is beautiful peachish color. Thank you so much, Anjuji. Now this is pure dupatta. Hand paint, pure dupatta. This is again very beautiful piece. Not to be missed. So I could provide you with the colors and options in this as well. Now this is hand paint with the applique work. This is all hand work with a beautiful suit.
4200 for today.
This suit has an offer. Otherwise, this is our hot selling suit in the exhibitions. The moment we place it and it goes, it flies away. Then people come and ask, please, can you please order it? But it takes pretty time because it is all hand work. You could see it. It's a beautiful work, hand work. And a dupatta.
On the formal side. we have
On the formal side, we have
Karachi.
Karachi work, cut work. You could see. This is pure crepe with pure dupatta. Again, the one who wish to get it stitched, I can send the designs as well. And then the shirt also has cut work. The daman also had cut work. And this is pure dupatta.
इसके 6,000
This is 6,000.
for today.
This is 6,000 for today only. And I have only one piece left. Again, I would say that it takes a few months to make it.
हाँ, बस मंगा।
It takes like 2 to 3 months to make this, create this suit. So I have only one piece left. Those who are liking could WhatsApp me, could send a message on my phone. My number is 9971208884.
Semi-formals
These are semi-formals.
for your moms.
These are semi-formals. You could wear it. They are very light suits with the self work. You could see it. They are very beautiful. Now again, these are semi-formals. I'm doing little hurry because we have only less time left. So for the entire range, you could WhatsApp me or you could go on my Facebook page. Even if you feed my number, you could see my status as well, because I am all the time available on my status as well. I upload my all creativity on it, even the Facebook page. Again, this is a suit with a dupatta, beautiful suit with a dupatta.
Those who have joined late, again I will.
Those who have joined late, I would again repeat for the scarves. We have first copy scarves, beautiful scarves. Need, like nowadays we really need. If we talk about a mask, they are never comfortable. So either you could see the videos at the back. My daughter has shown how to take it. Like she has given a demo of it. So I have beautiful designs and brands. You could see.
Girls planning for wedding can have.
And if I would really wanted to show you one more thing, the girls, those who are planning for wedding or something, we have lehengas as well. So on the dummy, if you could see it, I'll just rotate my. Yeah, I could show you this. This is a beautiful lehenga. I think Anjuji, this is visible. Lehenga is visible. This is dyeable lehenga. It could be dyed to any color. This is Lucknowi. This is on pure
With the border.
with a border. This is pure Lucknowi lehenga. It has a dupatta, it has a choli, and the entire work is a handwork. So you can again get it dyed by your own color. Yes, you could see me on the Insta, you can see me on the Facebook page by the name of Festive Creations. And I'm connected to She Connect. So if you go on a She Connect as well, you will find myself. Because we as a family work together in a She Connect, and that is taken care by Anju Handaji. So she really helps a lot on that platform to uplift the women, those who all are working. So I have been connected with her since years, and she's so hardworking, and she really takes day and night to uplift a woman. So She Connect is a platform where you could join to uplift your career.
Some inquiries or any other.
So any kind of things you need from me, like you can WhatsApp me, you can either talk to Anjuji if you have her number, or you can drop a message on our Facebook Messenger. I'm on Facebook as well, by the name of Festive Creations, and I'm on Insta. Insta also I have a page, so you could see me there as well. Now I have these pure dupattas, pure Lucknowis dupattas, again dyeable. These could be dyed to any color. These could be taken with the lehengas, with the pure skirts on the weddings, and you could get it. You could see from the near as well. So I think we are through with our time, as there are so many people, those who have this opportunity. So I think we are left with 7-8 minutes. So any questions, any queries you can ask from me.
WhatsApp number दोबारा repeat करो.
So I always do exhibitions. I'm available on the Facebook page. I'm available on my WhatsApp by the name of Simmi Bhullar. You could send me message on the messengers. So I have beautiful dupattas. Again, you could team up with any color of suits with a beautiful handwork, and see the cut work. So Festive Creation is known for the dupattas. I would again and again repeat for this, because we have a passion for our work. We really work day and night for this.
Anybody?
I have a very helping friend with me. Her name is Anju. So she is always helping hand to me for everything, for choices, for shopping, for doing work, anything for Festive Creation. Now again, these are plazos. Those who are joined late, I'm just giving a quick thing that you could have a look. Thank you so much, Anjuji.
It's a recap.
Now it's just a recap. I hope you all like the collection. So I'll be waiting for your messages.
Youngsters के लिए वाले शराब.
So these are Kali Shararas. Those who have missed could have a look on a Kali Shararas also. Again, they are dyeable. They are pure cotton and a soft cotton. So you could get it dyed in any color. They are beautiful ones. So there is no hassle of stitching also. So anyone wants to ask anything, you can. Or if you want to place an order, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can join me on the Facebook Messenger. Now at the end, I really wanted to say thank you to the She
For
Connect.
the ladies.
Now these are last thing left. I would show. I have a lot many stuff. Like I could only in 1 hour I could only plan these things only. But rest you can when you join me on a WhatsApp, you can get lots and lots of things, right? So this is this is stitched plazo, very comfortable to wear. As if nowadays we are on relaxed mode, so we do a lot of work. So we have pocket also in this. So they're very comfortable. So I have multiple pieces in this and sizes. So you could buy them. Then I just wanted to tell you that I do work in a catalog suits also. So my rates are very competitive once you give an order and then you see. So I have all catalog collections as well. So you could update yourself with my WhatsApp status, Facebook page, and you could order whatever you want.
Somebody for pinks.
Even for pinks, I have beautiful color collection in Lucknowi's. Kali Sharara price.
This is 1500.
This is 1500. This is dyeable. This Kali Sharara. Karuna ji, this is 1500. It could be dyed to any color. I hope you all like my collection. I have a huge collection. This is only the few because we had only 1 hour to exhibit. Because we have multiple, there are a lot of women, those who have booked e-pop-up on She Connect. So there are time slots. So Anjuji has provided us a time slot. According to that, we are doing it. So for rest, you could WhatsApp me, you can call me, you can look at my Facebook page, my Facebook story by the name of Simmi Bhullar, and my this Festive Creation Facebook page, Insta page, you could see. Thank you so very much, Karuna. I will be waiting for you. Thank you so very much. And at the last, I really wanted to thank Anju Handa ji for providing me this opportunity and providing me the platform of She Connect. I think every woman, those who are working from home or they are working in any other way, they could connect Anju ji to enhance their achievements and empowerment. She really helped each and everybody to empower. Thank you so very much. Nice seeing and thank you so very much to connecting and taking your 1 hour. Thank you, Niti, for telling lovely collection. Thank you so very much.
If you want something to be repeated, we can get it.
If you want something to be repeated, I could do it. Yes, sure, Anjuji, I'll publish. Thank you, Anju Sabharwal, to join me because I know that you are very, very busy with your work. So again, she is I would say that she really stitches well. And we are a group of friends, those who are into fabric only. So we join hand in hand and then we go ahead for our work. So I am really thank you to all my friends, those who have joined today, those who have given their 1 hour in such a busy schedule because everybody is busy at home. Thank you so very much.
Formals and semi-formals, you can always contact us.
For formals and semi-formals, for Lucknowi's, you can contact me anytime. For this e-pop-up, if you book anything, then courier will be totally free. It will be waived off. You will not be charged for the courier. Thank you, Khwahish, for saying nice collection. Thank you so very much. Thank you, Sonali. Thank you.
The videos on She Connect, you can watch it.
So we have a video also, like I will be publishing this. You could watch the video again and then you could select whatever thing you want to select. So I would repeat that those the stitch stuff I've shown you within short kurtis and long kurtis, they all sizes are available and they're very, very soft cotton. So there'll be no starch. Thank you, Indu. Thank you so very much. Thank you, dear. You got a time from Australia to watch this. But you're a little late. You could watch the video and you could see my stuff. Yes, I could show you something for Western, as if now you're my Western girl. So I'll show you some small tops you can see. Thank you dear for watching me from Australia. I'm so happy and I'm saying welcome to you. See, this is something for you, that you look an Indian beauty only as you look always. So this is something Western you could team up with your denims. I know nowadays you're not wearing. Thank you Vidhi Bhatia ji. Thank you for joining me. People, you are little late.
You can
Anju ji is giving me just 5 minutes more. I think she's giving me grace for this. Now these are Western kurtis in Lucknowi. So these kurtis I sent abroad as well. Like I am connected with LA. I send it to America. I send it to Canada and Australia as well. So Australia, there's my family. Like my sister-in-law is there. She really helps me out for everything. And then we do send there also. Even Canada I sell. So there is no problem of courier and anything. You could tell me and I can send you. So this is a net dupatta. Again dyeable dupatta. I have a wide range of net dupattas. So anything you want, you can WhatsApp me. You can send me message on my Facebook Messenger. My number is 9971208884.
see the video again.
You could see the video once Anjuji will post on She Connect. There you could see it. I would say that you should really go for these party wear suits, which can be re-dyed into 10 times. So every time when you wear in a different party, then you can go with a different color. So this is all handwork. These looks very pretty. I could again show you one piece of this. And for the people those who are watching from Australia and abroad, for them I think this stitch option is wow, because you really don't want to search as tailor there. Otherwise I have done a thing like I started with stitching as well. So we do stitch. So this is again the kurta. This is again. You all can watch again. Thank you Anju ji for providing me this platform of She Connect. I'm really blessed to be attached with you and your She Connect. Thank you so very much. Thank you. And we'll be uplifting this. We'll be uploading this. You could see again the one you're liking. You can take a screenshot. You can send me the order. I'll courier you. Now the courier services are open, so there is no problem. So anything you want to ask, you can. Okay, thank you so very much. Thank you She Connect. Thank you Anju ji. So be safe, stay at home. We are doing online, so stitching is also not a problem. You people can online offer. You can send me your measurements. I can get your things stitched and I can courier you. So you don't have to hunt for the tailors once you buy. So here if you book some in the festive collection, then you send me that, okay, get it stitched, I'll do that as well. So you all are welcome. Please stay at home, stay safe, enjoy. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Bye.